So first step, we're diagnosing this solar panel. You can see that under the panel, it's just open, which means we should receive some open circuit voltage. I would expect about half or more. We've got their multimeter leads in there set to DC, and we get nothing at all. This tells me that probably all of the bypass diodes are shorted. So we're gonna pop these covers and see what they look like. All right, so now what we're gonna do is set this to diode check. And we're going to poke through our potting.
Dad,
So that direction we get 0.15.
Pop, go to pond.
In that direction is 0.
Yeah, but
So we pulled apart this junction box and the tabs that are coming from the front of the solar panel back in here to the junction box. So this right here is going to be the diode, and this is the tab that should be soldered down to that piece of metal right there, which you can't really see because there's potting material on top of it. So potting material is between the tab and the metal, which means that this is not going to have continuity through there. So we're going to go ahead and check the other boxes too and make sure that they're all right. But it's very possible that's all that's wrong with this panel, because I tested the diode and it seems like it's okay. So let's see and find out. This is the one that's most important. That's probably why we're getting 0 volts across the panel. So now we're just going to tin this and this, throw some flux on there, get some solder on there, see what we can do. Oh yeah. All right, so it's just flux. Whoa, that was a bit much. I didn't want that much flux.
But I'm ready too.
I bet just not hard enough.
Yeah, it's just barely. There we go. There we go. I just didn't wait long enough.
No, now it's broken.
Did it?
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh, we did pretty good here.
Oh, so much better. Gotta have the right tool in the right shape.
Exactly.
All right, I'm gonna grab the multimeter. We're gonna do a voltage test. That's better. So now we can take it out in the sunlight and see what it gets, but that should be reading 46, 47 volts in the full sun. So let's go do that. All right. And there we are, 48. It was almost to 48 volts. 48 volts. So obviously we'll still connect it up to a charge controller just to make sure that the amperage is coming through right, but that panel was just a bad connection from the factory. So there we go.